Hello everyone. In this session of our Watch and Learn training series for EventTracker version 9, we will discuss about the EventVault Manager, both from the EventTracker WebUI and the EventTracker control panel. EventVault provides the capability to archive the events from the EventTracker database. It provides a simple but important mechanism to securely archive event logs for future use and more specifically for auditing purposes. We know that in most enterprise networks with multiple critical servers and workstations, the event log data can become huge and unmanageable. Those event data may not be immediately required after the initial analysis is completed. At the same time, they cannot be completely discarded as they will be required for future audits as well. EventVault solves this problem and also provides mechanisms to identify if any of the EventVault data has been tampered with. There is an entire backend process that helps in achieving this. The archives in the form of .mdb files are compressed into .cab files, which are called as the event box and are stored in the archives folder. If EventTracker is installed in the default path, then these files could be located in the archives directory. The range of events that each event box contains is stored into an index file in the archives folder. These event boxes are sorted by period and can be viewed from EventVault Manager. EventVault Manager from the EventTracker web can be used to verify the archive files, export the archive files, and configure the EventVault settings. On the other hand, the EventVault Manager from the EventTracker control panel can be used for configuring the storage path, saving the event box metadata, backing up the archives, extracting event box data, moving the cab files, and deleting an event box. Let us now have a look at EventVault from the EventTracker web. From the EventTracker homepage, navigate to the Admin drop-down and click on EventVault. Here in the web UI, EventVault is used for verifying the archive files and exporting them to an Excel document. It is also used for configuring the EventVault Manager. You could search a particular archive using the search box if you are aware of the archive name. In the EventVault page, the Show All option is to view all of the cab files. The Older Than option can be used to search old cab files by selecting the desired date and time and even choosing the respective port. The same can be done by manually entering the date and time in the From and To option to search a cab file for any particular port. You can verify the archive files from the table, which includes the From column, which shows the date and time of the first event stored in the cab file, and the To column is the date and time of the last event stored in the cab file. To verify the integrity of the archive files, select any archive file and then click Verify at the bottom of the page. The data is downloaded in a text file. You can then open the text file to view the results. To export the archive files, select any archive file and then select the export icon. Use the summary icon to get an overview about the archives and raw data. To configure EventVault Manager, click the configuration hyperlink at the top right corner. Here, you can view the EventVault storage path, which is not editable in the web UI. However, you can change the EventVault frequency and the purging details. Now, in order to access the EventVault Warehouse Manager, launch the EventTracker control panel. Please note that the EventTracker control panel is only accessible from the EventTracker Manager machine. Now, double-click on the EventVault icon. Here, under the available event boxes, the period column shows the time range of events stored in the CAP file. The archive name includes the EventTracker archive, followed by the time ticks, and then the port number. The port number is through which the EventTracker receiver service receives the events. And lastly, the file extension of the cabinet files. The path column is the path of the folder where the archives are stored, typically at the EventTracker install path, port number, year, and then the month. The raw data displays the size of that particular raw data. Then we have the archive column, which shows the size of the CAP file in kilobytes. The total events column displays the total number of events accommodated in the CAP file. The port number is through which the EventTracker receiver service received the events. To configure the Vault storage path, click the Configuration button. The Vault storage folder displays the location of the folder where the archives are stored. To change the location of the folder where the archives are stored, click the Browse button and then select the new location. To create the CAP files, specify the time duration in Force CAP file creation using the drop-down options. Archives will be created for the number of hours specified or when the cache size exceeds 50 MB. In order to purge archive folders, select Purge Archives Older Than option and specify the number of days. If the console type is a collection master and it is receiving the data from various collection points, then the stored respective collection points data will also be purged. The EventVault configuration window also has a list view which displays the configured ports and their respective configured archive paths. Please note that the ports configured by the user in the WebUI under the Admin dropdown and under the Manager option and under the syslog or Virtual Collection Point tab will be listed here, and the user can configure the archive path for the specific VCPs. To configure the archive path for a specific VCP, click the Add button and select the port number from the drop-down list and browse the new archive path by clicking the Browse icon. Please note that the port numbers will only get listed after the user has configured them in the Manager Syslog Virtual Collection Point tab. Confirm the new archive path and click the Save button. It will now get listed in the configuration window. Once added, you have the option of editing the archive path for specific VCPs as well. Clicking on the OK button will update the custom archive path for the selected VCP. The Save Event Box Metadata option enables you to save the archive summary in a text file. It helps you to locate particular CAB files to view, retrieve, or extract events. Select the archive files from the available event boxes list. Click Save Event Box Metadata on the toolbar. Select the path where you want to store the archive summary and then click Save. You also have the Backup Archives option, which enables you to backup EventVault data locally or remotely in a desired location for a long-term storage, and also helps you to retrieve the backed up data. For doing this, select the cabinet files and then select Backup Archives on the toolbar. EventVault Manager allows you to view the archived files by providing you with the various sorting options or for a specific time range. These options allow you to have a more granular control over the archives. The archived files can also be checked for their integrity by using the Verify option. The Extract option enables you to extract the EventBox data into an MS Access database. To move the CAP file, select the files or click Select All. Hit the Move button and after confirmation, choose the appropriate location to move the archives. For deleting the CAP files, select the files and click the Delete button. This concludes our session on EventVault Manager and its usage. Stay tuned for more topics that will be following this video. Thank you.